Hello guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. Alright, so we have an update here regarding DIRECTV and Nexstar. Looks like they finalized the deal to keep Nexstar owned ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC locals on DIRECTV Stream and more. The link for the article will be down below in the description for you guys. Alright, so let's read about it. So, want to update you guys, keep you in the loop in case many of you have the service and you've been, missing out on all these channels. It's good to see that something's going on here. So yesterday, DIRECTV and Nexstar agreed to a temporary deal to bring back Nexstar-owned ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC locals. So they're saying now the two companies have announced a finalized deal to end the months-long blackout for DIRECTV customers. Alright, so terms of the agreements were not disclosed, they're saying, but this deal also brings back News Nation to DIRECTV as well. So in a statement sent to Cord Cutters News, where the article is coming from, DIRECTV CEO Bill Morrow addressed subscribers. So made a message here for everybody. So on September 17th of 2023, he says, we began to return Nexstar-owned stations and News Nation to DIRECTV. He says DIRECTV Stream and Uverse customers and have since finalized a new multi-year agreement with Nexstar. So he says, unfortunately, over the past decade plus, access to your programming has become a battleground for networks and stations to try to drive up higher rates. He says, our customers, we recognize that while you may be able to access some programming over the air or on streaming service during these periods, that is not the experience you expect. He says, we understand you have a choice among your TV providers and appreciate your ongoing loyalty during this renewal. That's what will enable us to offer you more choice, personalization, and further value in future programming you pay to receive in your home. He says, thank you for your support and tremendous patience. Bill Morrow, CEO of DIRECTV. So all Nexstar-owned locals seem to have already been returned, they're saying, to DIRECTV, DIRECTV Stream, and Uverse TV. And they're saying any stations not live yet should return to DIRECTV soon. So I guess you guys would just have to keep a lookout. This is just a quick update for you guys. Want to give you guys the things that you're not hearing about right now, because I know a lot of people have these services and you may not be aware of what's going on. So if you haven't gotten, the updates yet to your stations, keep a lookout. If you don't get it within a certain time, definitely contact customer support. Tell them, I'm reading about how I should be getting all my channels back. What's going on? Maybe they have to, refresh your account or whatnot. Who knows? Speak with tech support, get it straightened out. Because if you're paying for DIRECTV service, you're entitled to what's available to you. So don't lose out. All right, guys. Like I said, link for the article will be down below, but pretty much I just covered everything there for you. But any questions or comments, feel free to let me know down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Much appreciated, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.